the Orphan Annie TV Hour to bring you this important news flash. A third golden ticket has been found in Snellville, Georgia. And what's your name, young lady?
Violet Beauregard. Violet, quit chewing your gum so loudly. Remember what your therapist said about acting out?
Can it, Ma? You flap your jaws as much as I do.
No. Tell us, Violet. How did you find your golden ticket?
I'm a gum chewer normally, but when I heard about Wonka's contest, I laid off the gum and switched to candy bars. Now, of course, I'm right back on gum. In fact, I've been working on this piece for like 3 months solid. I've beaten the record set by my best friend Cornelia Fitzmetal. Hi, Cornelia! Listen to this. That's the sound of you losing. Listen some more.
That's right, Dial. We are about to embark on a scrumptious adventure into the world of candy. Stay tuned for a mouth-watering candy cane commercial that is sure to leave you craving for more.
I'm the good chef, lollipop, it's a sweet trip to the candy shop where bonbons play on the sunny beach of peppermint bed. Lemonade stands everywhere, Cracker Jack bands fill the air, and there you are, happy landing on a chocolate bar. See the sugar bowl, do the Tootsie Roll with the big fat devil's food cake. If you eat too much, roll away with the tummy ache. From the good chef, lollipop, it's a night trip into bed, you'll hop and dream away on the good chef lollipop. Oh yeah, on the good chef lollipop, it's a sweet trip to the